This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer, Ireland. Welcome home. Beautifully maintained condo townhome in Greenbrier area. Open floor plan with spacious kitchen with breakfast bar. Large primary bedroom with large primary bath and walk-in closet. Fenced-in backyard and patio. Condo fees include ground maintenance, curbside trash, community recycling, and all maintenance of the exterior and replacement of roofs, doors, and windows. Conveniently located near dining, shopping, entertainment venues, Chesapeake City Park, and interstates. For more information, review the details below.